last stop for today's adventure, we are going to Tegenungan Waterfalls. See you guys there at the waterfalls. So this is the entrance fee of the waterfalls, 20,000 rupiah.
Okay.
So far this is the cheapest entrance fee
We have a
among the
stamp,
Ubud
guys.
tour.
Where's your stamp, baby?
That's right. We're swimming.
Yeah, you can just go there. You can
Go down, I can't driving.
So that's the waterfalls there.
Tegenungan Waterfall is a waterfall in Bali, Indonesia. It is located at the Tegenungan village in Gianyar, north from the capital of Denpasar, and close to the artist village of Ubud. The waterfall is isolated but has become a popular tourist attraction. It is one of the few waterfalls in Bali that is not situated in the highlands of mountains territory. The amount and clarity of the water at the site depends on the rainfall, but it contains green surroundings with fresh water that can be swum in. The waterfall includes varying heights that can be climbed after the descent downstairs to reach it. This attraction also features a viewing point of the jungle and waterfall at the main entrance.
And here they also have these things called nests that you can sit up in and take pictures of. We took pictures here at this one with the waterfall in the background. It's really nice. You can see that we took several pictures.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy our Ubud tour. See you for the next video, guys. Bye. If you wanna know the complete Ubud tour, please check our video, the 8 Wonders of Ubud Bali Tour 2020. And now we are going back to Sanur from the waterfalls for our last destination for today's adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Yeah, we book our tour through Balico Travel and Tour. Is it Balico Travel and Tour? Balico. So we booked through online to this travel company. It's up to you if you're going to get with a guide or just a driver. So it's up to you. Yeah, driver only like we do right now, or you're going to book like they have also a guide, but it's only Ubud tour. But for us today, we go Ubud tour and Kintamani. So bye.